Welcome to a gardening paradise. Today, we are diving into the fiery world of Indian chilies. If you love adding a bit of heat to your dishes, growing your own chilies is a rewarding and delicious endeavor. Stick around to learn how you can transform these tiny seeds into thriving, spicy plants right in your backyard or balcony. It all begins with these tiny powerhouses, chili seeds. Don't be fooled by their size, these seeds hold the potential to bring a burst of flavor and heat to your kitchen. Ready to get started? Let's go! Step 1. Selecting and preparing the seeds. First things first, choose your chili variety. Whether you prefer the mild heat of Bhoot Jolokia or the intense fire of the Naga Viper, selecting the right seeds is crucial. Here's a quick tip. Always opt for fresh seeds from a reputable supplier to ensure high germination rates. Before planting, let's perform a simple test to check the viability of the seeds. Place them in a bowl of water. The viable seeds will sink, while the duds will float. Discard the floaters and get ready to plant the sinkers. Step 2. Germination process. Next, we move on to germination. Fill your seed trays or small pots with a good quality seed starting mix. This mix is light, airy, and provides excellent drainage, creating the perfect environment for our seeds to sprout. Using a pencil or your finger, make small holes about a 1/4 inch deep in the soil. Place 1 or 2 seeds in each hole and gently cover them with soil. Now, give them a good misting with water. The soil should be moist but not waterlogged. Cover the trays with a plastic lid or plastic wrap to retain moisture and place them in a warm spot. Ideal germination temperature is around 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. In about 1 to 3 weeks, you'll start to see tiny sprouts emerging. Make sure to remove the cover as soon as the seedlings appear to prevent damping of disease. Step 3. Caring for seedlings. Once your seedlings have sprouted, they'll need plenty of light. If you are growing indoors, place them under grow lights for 12 to 16 hours a day. If you are using natural sunlight, a south-facing window is your best bet. Introducing a gentle breeze using a fan can help strengthen the seedlings' stems. This mimics outdoor conditions and prepares them for life outside. When your seedlings have a few sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into larger pots. This gives their roots more room to grow and ensures they get enough nutrients. Step 4. Transplanting outdoors. Now comes the exciting part, transplanting your seedlings outdoors. Make sure the danger of frost has passed and the soil temperature is at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius. Prepare your garden bed by adding compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. Indian chilies thrive in well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. Plant your seedlings about 18 to 24 inches apart to give them plenty of space to grow. Water them well after planting and consider adding a layer of mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Step 5. Ongoing care. As your plants grow, consistent care is key. Water your chilies regularly, especially during dry spells. Deep watering encourages strong root development. Pruning your chili plants can promote better air circulation and reduce the risk of disease. Remove any yellowing leaves or branches that are crowding the plant. Supporting your plants with stakes or cages can help keep them upright, especially when they start bearing heavy fruits. Step 6. Harvesting. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting. Chilies can be picked at any stage, but they're typically harvested when they've reached their full color. This can be green, red, yellow, or even purple, depending on the variety. Use scissors or pruning shears to cut the chilies from the plant, leaving a small stem attached. Be careful not to damage the plant while harvesting. Conclusion. And there you have it, your very own homegrown Indian chilies, ready to spice up your culinary creations. Growing chilies is a fun and rewarding process that adds a personal touch to your cooking. We hope you enjoyed this guide and feel inspired to start your own chili growing journey. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!